So, day 19 is Lavender. And wow, this one was hard. It is really difficult to find things that are naturally purple. I did a lot of thinking on this one, bouncing around to everything from lavender flowers, the marker's namesake, to gemstones, and a bunch in between before I eventually settled on this. Something like an amethyst crystal cluster, but not just any crystal cluster. I figured that would be boring. So instead I went for a flower-shaped crystal cluster thing. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure either, but I noticed when looking at the amethyst crystal clusters and geodes that the base and edges were clear, or at least very light. So I made the center of the flower white, and I did the crystal petals, if you will, in the lavender color. And then it was looking a little sparse and not centered on the page, which is becoming a trend for this challenge. So I added another small cluster of crystals, sort of like a bud, I guess, to the one side on this, whatever it is they're growing out of, a stone or a rock or the ground or whatever. And then once that was done, I proceeded to add little sparkles and stars and dots a la anime because it was just looking a little empty to me. And I wanted to sell the idea this is a very sparkly crystal cluster. So there's that. I really like this one. I feel like it could easily be some sort of magical MacGuffin or item or something in D&D. But anyway, tabletop fantasy games aside, Lavender is check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.